Halo adik-adik, halo adik-adik. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam adik-adik. Buat kalian yang nonton live atau replay ya. Kita langsung aja solo rank lagi ya adik-adik. Kita ambil mid lane-nya. Harit, Ben Harit.
Enemy is picking.
See value in me?
Please pick a hero.
You should.
Kenceng banget bejir. Fredrin, kita fake sana.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn. A sweet adventure
The
starts
enemy is
here.
picking.
I have a heart of light, therefore I do not fear the darkness.
Your team is picking.
Time to take the field.
The enemy is
Kita di sini melawan Silvana ya guys ya. Ada Angela.
At a to
Ini
greatest
Chang'e.
inventions.
Oh ini adu healing nih kita nih.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
Your team is picking.
Dia nggak ada hero TB ya, kecuali si Predream. Hero TB.
My blood boils until the day I die.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
It is love that keeps us alive.
Ih sini lah.
Time
Ih sini lah.
taste despair.
Kita teror dulu kan. Dia Angela masih bantu itu dia berarti.
Fear.
Kena dia, mati dia guys. Hahaha, yuk.
Wasted.
Aman aja, aman aja.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necro Keep through the dark.
Loh, gak mati. Oh, dia silpananya ini ya. Waduh. Kalah sih silpana lu sama Balmon. Udah aku bilang kalah sama Balmon. Gak percaya dia guys.
Not the Emperor.
Gasin aja tuh. Stun lah siapa?
Tears and laughter. Such
Keluarin, keluarin,
extravagant
stun keluarin.
praises.
Lihat Balmonnya nggak ngeliat gua.
There's no farther for us to fall.
Tenang, tenang, tenang. Kita ada ulti, tenang. Menunggu lah bangke.
Slain an enemy!
Fingers on us.
An enemy has been slain!
Despair will be dispelled.
Careful! An enemy is missing!
Mind your steps, visitor. For Necro Keep is cold and hostile. In memory of the fallen,
Sabar ya, clear mid dulu baru ke atas.
It is a blessing to bloom
Bawah harusnya menang.
to wither.
Dari segi duit juga menang dia.
Careful.
Dikarenakan Silvana kita bakar-bakar dulu ya.
In this gown.
Ult is ready.
Nice.
Slain an enemy.
Lihat Balmonnya sok kuat. Lihat pada sok kuat tuh. Garingnya pada sok kuat.
Not ready.
For Necrokeep.
Wes.
Understood.
Open map.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
For Necrokeep.
Tolong. Ya ampun.
Such a painful goodbye.
Jangan aku. Tower dapat. Lihat belakang. Ini udah jadi langsung aja ya. Sakit banget Bruno bro. Tolong nggak sih? Ya elah nekat banget. Masih ngantuk kayak itu Leslie.
Your team destroyed a turret.
HBD nggak sih guys?
Fear. We hold our ground.
To wither.
Ally has been slain.
Lihat Balmon temannya dipukulin. kipas.
Destroy the turret. Taste despair.
Kipasnya gimana ini?
Launch attack.
Kita langsung bikin ini ya buat shield. The base ini udah gitu. Tenang rata guys, kita tumbal ya. Maniak. Kelas Bruno. Sapek nggak tuh?
Despair will be dispelled.
Gila, sapek lagi.
Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Udah nggak sih nggak sih respect. Dem. Udah bro, respect bro and bro.
Enemy. Lay your fingers on us.
GG. GG Bruno. Ini apa nih, 0 nih? Nah, MLB Rising ini apa guys? Copyright. Duit gue udah 1 juta ya. Juta ini guys. 3 ya, 1.100.000 nih bentar lagi. Dia mau midland kah? Kalau di midland lu bisanya. Tidak. Jadi dia mau midland aja, udah gue balik dah.
Your team is banning.
Kita main Goldland adik-adik. Bruno tadi sakit banget ya Bruno.
Ban a hero.
Penasaran gue. Nathan kali ya?
Your team is picking.
Nathan ulti tambah cepet bro.
Always on the way.
The enemy is picking.
Nathan, Layla, Bruno, Carry. Apa nih? Ini Bruno
This
sih dia.
time, the choice is mine.
Kita Layla aja ya.
Time to take the
Jauh
field.
soalnya jarak.
Your team is picking.
Layla kita bro. Let's go, naikin gua. Naikin lah. Set last pick gua kagak dipercaya guys.
I'm
Nah,
the priestess
dipercaya
of
dia.
primal lightning, the hunter of all the evil gods.
Mananya doang ini kita dikurangin mananya bro.
Experience the youth you suffer. For honor!
Please pick a hero.
Ready, go.
Ready,
They call me a
go.
hero because I saved my nation from falling apart.
Saya berkah. Kenapa assassin ya dia? Aku juga assassin deh, salah. Sorry dah. Kebanyakan yang tengah ituan ya. Cow. Enggak. Kita ke Tenah City kita. Tenang, dia tipis-tipis guys. Apa sih solidaritas tuh?
Welcome, Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Lu mah bela ini solo bisa
Time to
sih.
lay down the law. My mom sacrificed her life for this city. I won't let anything happen to it.
Bruno lagi meta kah Bruno nih? Dari tadi di pick mulu guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Request backup. I would never back down.
Initiate retreat.
Tigrele hilang di bawah dia.
You can always find your own path to becoming a hero. The gun represents justice.
Kayaknya dipukul tanpa skill 1 gue kalah deh.
For ambush.
sorry dah nggak ngeliat gua.
Watch the bushes for
Let the shining star show you the way. Open fire! Firepower enhanced!
Gather at the turtle. Initiate retreat.
Tenang, kita zoning. Kita kalau udah megang landing enak ya.
We can do it!
watch the bushes for ambush.
Kita kalau udah megang landing enak nih, santai aja.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Atas dia, pintar kali dia.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Is not ready. Launch attack.
Ever thought about getting some training at Eruditio?
Ult is ready.
That once little girl.
Spree.
Target locked.
Kagak ada damage deh. Gua pertama lagi. Untung aja loh.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl.
Tidur nggak sih bro?
Request backup.
Kita langsung bikin ini ya, critical.
Hey, not bad. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Time to shine.
Gila combo Parsha Matilda bagus banget ya. Free tower kita, nice banget Matilda sama Parsha.
Ever thought about getting some training at Eruditio? My shot always finds the
Nekat nih
target.
Bruno. Sini lah, maju lah Bruno.
Initiate retreat.
Udah tahu guys.
Open fire!
Mega kill.
Tenang. Satu hit. Bawa dikit ya.
Your team destroyed a turret.
We can do it!
Mega kill. Initiate retreat. You destroyed a turret.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Unstoppable. Your team destroyed a turret.
Now I know better. Stronger.
Tarik gua. Nggak mati dia.
Ult is ready.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Baliknya di sini nggak usah.
I'll bring you to justice. High ground. Open fire.
Balik.
Once little girl. She's gonna save someone this time.
Shut down. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
Sabar nggak sih guys? Tunggu gua lah.
Through science, Eruditio aims to create a better future for all.
Aduh,
You can always find your own path to becoming a hero. Bullseye!
karet tuh ulti. Ulti bro. Nggak ada ulti dia.
Ever thought about getting some training at Eruditio? Bullseye! Ally, gun,
Cow hilang nih cow.
when pointing at the bad guys. Thanks for the target practice.
Dah mati gimana sih? Hahaha, combo Matilda bagus banget guys. Serius dah. Gila tanker gue emang jago nih. Support.
Your team destroyed a turret.
We can do it.
Your team destroyed a
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Time to shine.
Your team destroyed a turret. Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Gelo.
Initiate retreat.
Apa cok? Apalah dia guys? Aduh pukul malah gila.
I'll bring you to justice.
Kawanku ini pelit kali mak.
Don't underestimate me.
Merah buat gue ya bro. Iya ambil aja. Oke makasih.
I never back down.
Ini kenapa kipas gue mati guys?
Request backup.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Time to shine. Bullseye! My mom sacrificed her
Kabur.
life for this city. I will let an enemy have gather us aboard.
Au.
My shot always finds the target.
Lihat tuh. Langsung pasifnya hilang. Pasif apa?
Once little girl.
Purify-nya hilang bro.
Fire!
Lihat tuh. Emang ini hero sakit banget sebenarnya guys. Lihat game gila banget tuh. Tenang, jangan panik. Gila, kelas adik-adik. Sering seorang Layla yang diraguin guys, bisa solo lawan si siapa, Bruno. Lah kenapa mati mulu ya kipas gue ya? Midland lagi gua. Romka. Tapi keren Matilda tadi, bagus Matilda, bagus.
Please ban
Kombonya masuk semua tadi antara Parsia Matilda.
Your team is banning. The enemy is picking.
Halo. Alhamdulillah. Buset, Layla gue dipakai guys. Oh kita mid ya? Salah gua.
Please pick a hero.
Hana, Sancho,
Kaja dia.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
The falling stars brought us here.
I'm bound by nothing, be it
Your
family
team
or
is
destiny.
picking.
I am the power of light incarnate.
Sun rises when I
The
give the
enemy
word.
is picking.
Aduh, Selena males banget. Ini udah combo nih guys. Combo siapa? Novaria Selena.
A punch for a punch.
Your team is picking.
Ragu dia pakai link. Karena Pak Kuito sekali HBD bisa mati dia. halo yang nonton, halo, welcome. Super Nair kayak itu. Super Nair. Ini kaja paling enak sih sebenarnya pakai yang itu guys, yang full yourself yang kedua, karena cooldown buat flickernya menurut gue lebih cepet ya. Kalau gue lebih nyari cooldown sih dibandingkan movement speed.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the
Kaliannya
enemy
pakai
reaches
master
the
assassin dia.
battlefield. Smash them.
BTR.
All troops deployed.
Beat sih Kak. Gue ganti.
It is love that keeps us alive.
Bawah ya.
For Necrokeep, watch the bushes for ambush. For the fallen.
Jangan diambil cok, punya dia bang. Kita tunggu sini, sabar nunggu kena dia, kena skill 1 flicker dia 105 1 2 3.
For one day, Necrokeep will bathe the daylight.
Sabar nggak sih? Sabar lah, jangan nafsu lah bro, santai aja, kita main santai. Gue lagi ngetik tadi. Oke. Gusion belum 4 dia. Oh balik.
On us. There's no farther for us to fall.
Seharusnya Gusion menuju ke merah nih.
Watch the bushes for ambush. The blessing to bloom and to wither. Launch attack.
Kita lihat temen ya, santai nggak sih?
Fear. We hold our ground.
Karat semua nggak apa-apa, kita buang semua itu. Minionnya diambil aja.
Keep through the dark.
Ult is ready.
Minionnya diambil mulu, parah banget ya. Kaja bukan gue ya.
Ult is ready. The guidance of Necrokeep is too cold.
Dapat, aduh nggak dapat gue.
An enemy has been slain.
Tenang, gue jagain tenang.
An enemy has been slain. Wait up.
Terus mitel lah gue.
We hold our ground. Watch the bushes for ambush.
Wih Pakito.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Nice, Kaja backup bagus. Kagak ada ulti dia.
Ally has been slain. We're ahead in gold. Initiate retreat.
Pukulin dia. Ini balik lagi seorang ini Sob.
For Necrokeep. Visitor. For Necrokeep is cold and hostile.
Ya ini. Turtle bro. Novaria udah kagak ada ulti Novaria.
Ally has slain the turtle. Initiate retreat. Take despair. Time does not erase. I need to tend to my people.
Sabar Kaja lihat orang Kaja.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necrokeep through the dark. Killing spree. Push first. Ult is not ready.
Kena gua.
Is cold and hostile.
Mid nggak sih? Paksa mid aja Kaja. Nggak ada tarik dia. Kena lagi dulu. Waduh. Sakit banget gua. Nah, nggak apa-apa, dapat mid, nggak apa-apa.
Such a painful goodbye.
Somai guys.
Ult is ready. Killing spree. There's no farther for us to fall. Launch attack. Mega kill. Taste the despair. Fear. Ult is not ready. Attack the turtle. Taste the despair. Ult is not ready. Tears and laughter.
Ini lihat hikmat. Enggak bro. Ya elah, gue kira dia udah nangkep bro. Maniak gak sih? Dari tadi maniak sapek mulu nih gue main.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Bawah dulu bro.
Fear. Not ready. We hold our ground. Fear. An enemy has been slain. It is a blessing to bleed.
Kagak ada ulti gua.
Tears and laughter. Such extravagant phrases. Your team destroyed a turret. Shut down. Fear. Double kill. You have slain an enemy. Triple kill. Destroyed a turret. Attack the Lord is not ready. Our turret has been destroyed. There's no farther for us to fall.
Dari tadi gagal maniak, bro.
Retreat for the Lord! For one day, never keep your face to the daylight. An ally has slain Lord!
Ada lu tadi kenapa nggak nyampe tuan gua?
Initiate retreat! For the fallen! Ally has an enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy!
Lihat udah segila-gilaannya tuh Ling. Gila. Sabar nggak sih Ling? Jangan di-clear nggak sih? Astaga, Hanabi masih ini cuy.
Your team destroyed not ready. Ult is not ready. Killing spree. Ult is not ready. Leap.
Mati. Goodbye everybody.
This is not the end for us.
Pedes.
We hold our ground. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. My people are calling to me. Tend to my people.
Bastard. Yuk open map yuk. Atas nih.
For Necrokeep. Taste despair.
Mas. Hilang ya.
Twice before you lay fingers on us. Shame on you.
Lihat.
Ally has been slain. Ult is not ready.
Dia mau buru-buru kan dia.
There are memories. Time does not erase.
Beli itu aja, kaja. Fleeting time. Biar ulti lu cepet bro.
Mind your steps, visitor. For Necrokeep is cold and hostile. Ult is not ready. Request backup. It is a blessing to bloom and to wither. Launch attack.
Udah. Lord aja nggak sih udah kita udah buang banyak duit tuh.
Turret.
Sengaja nggak keluarin tadi.
If it helps. Ult is not ready. An ally has slain Thor. Ult is not ready. Some sacrifices are necessary. For Necrokeep.
Sabar nggak sih kaja?
Taste despair. Ult is not ready. Taste
Gua tuh dikenain sih. Aduh, combo kan, bener gak combo dia. Flatting time aja aja,
Shut down. Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Team destroyed.
menang lagi guys.
Victory.
Glory kah sini? Aduh, salah. Glory berapa sih? 50 kan Glory. Yo Glory, bisa yo Glory. Baru 51 jam. Paling gua kurang lebih 2 jam. Lu di Midland lagi.
Your team is banning.
RRQ Sunshine Pro di trio kayaknya nih.
Ban a hero.
Gue udah nggak ngeliat Barat stay di game pagi ini, belum lihat Barat gue. Barat Predrin udah, Predrin Barat ini belum lihat lo gue.
Your team is picking.
Matil tuh, Matil anjay, ngapus Matil dia guys.
Always on the way.
The enemy is picking.
Lah ini yang tadi ya, iya nggak sih? Pakai Khalid juga deh.
I see lots of prey.
Gaze upon the edge
Your
of
team
the
is
void.
picking.
Waduh, Nolan cuy.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
My blade strikes like a splitting
The
wind.
enemy is picking.
Bukan guys, yang tadi kolom bu namanya.
To live is to trick the Reaper.
Aduh ngantuk kali ini.
A punch for a punch.
Your team is picking.
Come on, Dexter. It's our
Kok feeling gue dia tanker ya ininya satunya ya. Terizla boleh, Terizla. Terizla aja nggak apa-apa bro.
Looking at the
Music juga boleh.
The enemy is picking.
Tanker kayaknya dia satunya. Siapa? Tigreal. Udah di band. Frankie. Mino dia. Tanker kan, bener kan?
Minotaur will finish off what was left undone.
Tebal-tebal banget lagi. Ampun, pusing banget gua. Tebal banget dia guys pada orang. Gua harus nengok dulu berarti ya pertama. Ini di sini gue mending NOD atau Domi ya. Matilda bikin Domi nggak sih dia? Kalau dia bikin Domi berarti gue NOD aja nggak apa-apa udah.
Welcome, Lilo on Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battle ambush. Smash them! All troops deployed.
Nah, ini
Till
pakai pull
Ridgeburg
yourself kan?
breathes again.
Pull yourself. Bad ulti Framis. Oke, siap bang. Oke.
Okay. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necrokeep through the
Sabar
dark.
nggak sih Matilda?
First blood.
Gizong, gizong.
Backup.
Tarik, tarik, nice. Flicker sama kayak gue dia. Dia duluan tapi beda berapa detik ya? Mabar bang. Gas, gas, ayo.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Dia beda berapa detik tadi ya ultinya?
Careful. Be careful. The enemy is missing. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Sekarat langsung aja dia tuh. Awas cuy,
Initiate retreat.
cuy. Lihat map, lihat map. Lihat map, lihat map. Ada 2 orang.
Is missing.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Ally has been slain. Attack the turtle.
Harusnya ulti Paramis bisa gue pancing sih.
The end first.
Lu nggak dapet ulti lagi gua.
Turtle.
Tarik, 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 nice.
An enemy has been slain.
Nggak apa-apa sekarang ini guys. Mati dia.
You have slain an enemy.
Wup, wup, wup. Kena pecahan itu Suwe. Flicker mantap tembok anjay. GG Yuzong.
Despair will be dispelled. Ult is not ready. There are memories. Time does not erase. Ult is not ready.
Pushes for ambush.
Mind your steps, Initiate retreat. And hostile. In memory of the fallen. I was supposed to marry him. Yeah.
Gas. Kasih tau Matil. Nah nggak apa-apa, terbang udah dia.
Slain an enemy.
Mid ya, ambil mid, ambil mid. Kasihnya terus. Sakit banget ya punya gue ya. Kelas Yuzong.
Ult is ready.
Udah biarinnya matinya. Nggak mati kan? Mati tuh ya sama gue cuy. Gitu kan, itu namanya chemistry ya adik-adik. Awas Nolan hilang, Nolan. Ini ada orang nih. Ya minta paksa aja ya. Nolannya hilang nih ya. Ada nggak ya? Nggak ada guys. Sabar. Kita happy birthday. Jangan keluar, sabar. Oh, Nolannya ke atas nih. Udah mati lagi dia. Udah gua BD juga. Kelas. Biasanya kelas tuh. Begitu pusing. Gue TB, tenang gue TB link. Jenisnya kita jenius. Ini aja dah. Sabar, tarik mundur. Sabar ya, lu ber-5 lawan 2 weh. Udah pancing tuh dia. Lihat lingan. Pusing begitu.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tenang kita pusing pakitonya guys. Mati dia. Ulti lah. Nggak mau ulti lagi. Retri ya. Mati dia. Double kill. Bukan gue cuy. N udah N. Tenang aja cuy. NA. Pakitanya pasrah dia begitu.
Victory!
Halo Abian. Midland lagi kita. Sejam 15.
Please ban a hero.
Barat juga nggak laku kah? Kayaknya pagi ini belum ketemu gua.
Your team is banning.
Apa di ban terus ya tadi nggak ngeliat sih gua. Nggak ngeliat ngebandnya gua. In nggak sih guys? Kalau ada in pusing gua.
Please pick a hero.
Aduh peksana gua kambing.
Always on the way.
The enemy is picking.
Matil. Gue pengen nyobain Xavier lagi dah. Kayaknya sakit banget dia. Loi
I
kali ya?
see lots of prey.
This time,
Oh di Xavier tuh.
the choice is mine.
Loi lah boleh lah.
Where there is light, there are also shadows.
Aman guys, gue ngeliat dari midlandnya aja dulu sih.
The enemy is picking.
Flow. Waduh Yuzong lagi bro. Ya Florin aja Angela buat gue susah guys.
is dead, and I will revive it. Still swords
enemy is
run.
Iya, dari tadi gue ketemunya Link nih. Dari tadi gue ketemu Link sama Roger
Upon the
Sapphire
edge
juga.
of the void.
Nolan lagi kan, Nolan lagi. Di sini bagusnya Tenacity sih guys. Ini Tenacity bagus banget nih buat lawan situ. Yalah, nggak apa-apa lah. Wih, dari namanya lawan susah nih Nolannya nih. Renz Erin Hendrai.
welcome, Global Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Link mau bahas apa dulu Link? Bantulah Matil.
First blood.
Ah, mati cocok. Linknya malah sibuk lu. Beda sama yang tadi linknya nih. Ini apa linknya mati juga sih? Aduh, early game yang sangat-sangat kurang baik ya.
Like a string puppet, you are totally under my control.
Enemy missing. Need assistance. Okay.
Our victories will be limitless.
Launch attack. Ally has been
Aduh, mati lagi coy.
initiate retreat. Understood.
Never look back. You have nothing to regret.
Watch the let my will bend the earth. Launch attack. Need assistance. Down.
Yuzongnya udah ini
Your
apa?
life is worthless.
Udah bebas banget Yuzongnya dia.
Enemy missing.
Matilda, tolong lah sini Matilda. Lu kasih shield dia lah.
Our victories will be limitless.
Ally has slain the turtle.
Loneliness
Dikejar
never
ini gua.
bothers me.
Is not ready. Launch
Our
attack.
healing. The Orient
main hard. Bener gak sih? Atas.
Watch the bushes for ambush. The future of Canadian Riverlands is in our hands.
Let my will bend. Attack.
Your life is worthless, but I will take it anyway. Watch the bushes for ambush.
Launch attack.
Never look back. You have nothing to regret.
Alarm anjay.
Everyone has the right to embrace
Sepertinya
their
ada
true
alarm guys.
self.
Ally has been slain.
Like a steering level, you are totally under my control.
Let my will bend the earth. Oh, not ready.
Your life is worthless, but I will take it anyway.
Ya sabar lah bang.
Oh, not ready. Oh, not ready.
Never look back. You have nothing to regret.
Launch attack. Not ready.
Gue Yuzongnya udah semena-mena bro. Gak bisa anjir, susah banget Yuzongnya.
Your team destroyed a turret.
You are fake.
Let my will bend the earth. Launch attack. Turret is
Understood. Watch the bushes for ambush.
ABD gak tuh?
not ready.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Our turret has not been destroyed.
Midnya aja gak sih? Coba.
Loneliness never bothers me.
Let my will bend the earth.
Kan udah bilang Yuzongnya udah semena-mena bro. Suka-suka dia lah. Yuzongnya udah suka-suka lah.
Launch attack.
Susah kalau Yuzong udah semena-mena gini.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Aduh harus mikir lagi cok, putar otak ini cok.
Turret has been destroyed. Ult is not ready.
Gue disuruh clear lama anjir. Dengan gue lah.
Watch the bushes for ambush. Embrace their true self.
Udah semena-mena aja bro. Karena kagak ada ini kan, kagak ada yang bisa gigit dia. Nggak ada yang bisa nangkap dia gitu loh. Siapa yang bisa nangkap?
Never
Lagi dia
look back.
dijadi,
You have
susah.
nothing to regret.
Tapi masih bisa menang guys. Keajaibannya ini bisa nih.
Thank you.
Watch the bushes for You are failing the Oriental warriors.
Request backup.
Tuh lu lihatnya ditabrak.
We're behind in goal. Enemy missing. We're behind in goal. Turret.
Nggak bisa, lu war terus juga nggak bisa. Jangan war terus lah kalau mau. Biarin dia nabrak di tower aja.
Our turret has been destroyed. Inhibitor turret under attack.
Aduh masa ya WC pecah cuy. WS 5 baru 5. Lalu aja 5.
Loneliness never bothers me.
5 pecah, 5 pecah.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Our victories will be limitless. Life is worthless, but I will take it anyway.
Sudah aku bilang, harus kita defend bro, nggak bisa masuk-masuk gitu.
Inhibitor turret.
Biarin dia nabrak ini.
Everyone has the right to embrace their true self.
Nah kan dia ini kan, lama-lama meremehkan dia.
Your life is worthless.
Not ready.
Our victories will be limitless.
Lihat.
Okay.
Mau pada meremehkan dia guys. Maju, blunder.
Ult is not ready.
Nggak ngerti nih linknya tuh. Kita kalah dikit. Kalah lain-lainnya tuh dia mentabur-tabur juga bisa ya.
Defend the turret.
Alah dek. Sabar, ngapa lu kalah duit? Mau buy one gimana juga susah. Bang Leo Koci. Itu dia 16 apa sih 16. Ini keberuntungan hari ini apa pula? Di 55 baterai gue nih. Udah sejam.
Your team is banning.
Gue belum bisa harit sih, belum bisa banget nih.
Please ban a hero.
Sebenarnya bukan Yuzongnya sih yang gede banget gitu.
Your
Cuma
team
karena
is
menang
picking.
duit aja dia awal-awal. Nggak usah di ban juga, nggak usah takut ya.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
The enemy
Si kambing. Udah gue XP-lan aja. Wordland.
Minotaur will finish off what was left undone.
Oh, gue mau nyoba Esme nih. Esme yang damage.
As fleeting
Esme
as a
damage,
snowflake's
damage,
breath.
damage.
As timeless as a glacier's heart.
Boleh. Matil, ayo matil.
Night sky tells all.
Duitnya gimana ya Esme ya?
Are the two greatest inventions?
Kalau nggak salah pakai emblem ini ya.
It is in despair that I see the fondest hope.
I see lots of prey.
Your team is picking.
Buildnya yang
Punch for a punch.
Wan itu gimana buildnya Wan ya? Lupa gua. Oh iya pakai bulu ya, pakai bulu dia. Itu mah jungler cuk.
Hana, Sancho,
The enemy is picking.
Ini dulu stadium dulu pertama, terus kedua apa ya?
I do what I want to do.
Lawannya siapa sih? Nathan. Oh ada Nathan. Oke. Starium. Ini nggak pakai buku dia. Harusnya emblemnya emblem common sih, nggak pakai buku. Bisa buat lawan Dirot sih.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deploy quest backup.
Kita start gimana dulu ya? Ngikut buildnya. Dia ini jungler tuh.
Stars are my
Sakit
beacon.
kali Wak. Kita ini jungler dia. Pakai raptor dia.
Try to keep up if you can.
Gak bisa cuy, sakit kali cuy.
Death is nothing compared to my belief. First blood.
Dong sini dong.
Watch the bushes for
I
ambush.
have foreseen your fate.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Launch attack.
Dia pakai raptor sakit banget ya guys. Dapat X juga. Dia pasti maju ke gua nih. Lihat nih. Skill 2. Oh enggak. Sampai dia modal ulti kita.
Enemy missing. Coming. Wait for me.
Ada gue pegang dia.
Slay the turtle.
Nah, udah mulai enak nih guys. Kita pegang kaki dirotnya guys.
You don't want to dance? The stars are my beacon.
Di clear cu.
Death is nothing compared to my belief. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Dia nomino ya, Mino baru datang ya padahal.
Nope.
Mino baru datang aja kalah cu. Aduh.
Sorry. Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has
Dia
been
OTW
slain.
heptasis dia.
Don't want to dance? Not ready.
Hmm,
Slain an enemy.
itu ya guys ya. Akhirnya kepancing juga deh guys.
Try to keep up if you can.
Oh nggak sempet.
Press back. Understood. Ult is not ready. I have foreseen your fate. You have slain an enemy.
Tenang gue pegangin kakinya dia. Siapa nih? Mino gue pegangin. Tapi kurang banget ya kagak pakai buku ya. Oh bisa pakai buku, kita masih sakit ya. Aman pakai buku masih sakit guys. Kayaknya harus emblemnya itu common dah. Talentnya itu common. Nanangnya telat sih. Birotnya mana birotnya?
Not ready. Destroy the turret. Destroy the turret.
Merah ada nih bro. Merah nggak bro?
Forget the past. The stars are my destroy the turret. Killing spree.
Apa sih? Udah jangan aku.
Death is nothing compared to my belief.
Kita bulu. Bulu apa? Sayap.
Ult is not ready. An ally has slain the turtle.
Birotnya kayak ngelek dah.
Can. Ult is not ready. I have foreseen your fate. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. You don't want to dance?
Sabar gue masuk dari belakang. Sabar gue ngeflank.
Is not ready. No secret is safe from me.
Sakit banget gak tuh gue. Sekali lompat bro.
An enemy has
Terus kita buat defense ya.
the stars are my beacon.
Wajib pada defense. Tenang nama lawan begini tarik ulur aja.
For battle, don't solo rush.
Tenang.
Compared to my belief. Your team destroyed a turret.
Tenang. Kita tarik si Roger. Ini satu lah. Tenang. Tetap tenang. Jangan panik. Pasti ada yang defend. Nah, ketarik dia tuh. Wih, aku.
Not ready. Don't want to dance?
Benar satu kali lompat ketahuan.
Victory!
Enak SP. Itu di road nge-lag kenapa tadi ya dia? Kalau nggak nge-lag dia gue kalah gue tuh. Awal-awal udah serem banget di roadnya kan, majuin terus dia. Season masih lama kan, bisa nih glory nih. Temen gua bisa glory nih. Ya anak BTR nih, gila temen gua nih, keren banget nih anak BTR dia. BTR pagian. Dia mau Goldland kah, gua kasih Goldland lah, biarin dah. Midland.
Please ban a hero.
Di Goldland juga bisa. Enggak, gue masih penasaran nih Esme gue. Tadi belum berasa main gue. Kayaknya harus common gak sih, harus cobain common.
Your team is banning. The enemy is picking.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Please pick a hero.
Matilda dulu gak sih? Aku mau nyobain Esme lagi nih.
The falling stars brought us here. The night sky tells all.
The enemy is picking.
Ada yang pakai common gak ya? Gak ada ya.
Let's hear from the crowd.
Magic
Make some
pakainya.
noise for yours truly.
Apa ultinya aja ya gue itu ini? Ultinya gue percepat. Pengurangan cooldown tambahan loh. Terus ini kita ambil yang ini kan, speed. Oh lawannya Kici, jangan. Tadi gue pakai apa, Raptor ya? Enggak, bukan
Time to
Raptor.
drop the beat of the flash.
Your team is picking.
Wih, Esme gue kenapa jir? Dirot kocak. Kenapa jadi ituan?
The enemy is picking.
Gue udah bilang dirot. Gue dibilang gak bisa ini, gak bisa jungler gue.
I shall succumb to my power.
Time and tide wait for no man. Your team nor
Ini
girl.
gak usah. Udah kagak usah, dia MM aja. Oh XP dia. Ya udah dirot aja, dirot. Lah udah gue tandain, kocak banget ya orang ya. Orang udah gue tandain dari tadi. Lawannya Cici lagi guys. Kan tadi gue bilang dirot. Ah nggak jadi guys, nggak jadi nyobain gue emblem.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Gas. Berbagi itu indah.
Sorry.
Lawan Cici sih susah sih. Ya di troll cu.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
Well played. Sorry.
Should have let Thanos teach you how to fight.
Troll aja bang. Emang dia ngambil mulu dia.
First blood.
Let me take you.
Initiate retreat.
Why don't you just surrender?
Okay.
Kita harus cepet ya buat pegang turtle.
Launch attack. Enemy has been slain. Gather up the turtle. Ally has been
Nice.
enemy has been slain. An ally has slain the turtle. Slain an enemy. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
Sabar nggak sih Yasmi?
Let me take
Minion
you
dulu
to
nih, minion gua nih.
another world.
Apa tuh 2 jam ya?
An enemy has been slain. Push through.
Who would recognize one as weak as you?
Supres. Anjir ada
Nana.
si Joyo.
Ally has been is not ready.
Gua ambil ya Yasmi.
Why don't you just
Ngeselin tadi di HB dia sama Joy gua. Sabar, kita harus cepat ya, clear.
Ult is
should
ready.
have let Thanos teach you how to fight.
Counter Strike anaknya apa lagi dia?
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
mati nih. Clearing, itu namanya guys ya, padahal gue nggak ngeliat map loh. Toto ada Isme aja.
Initiate retreat.
Cuekin aja minion, kita bantu. Kita jadi yang terdepan, kita tabrak, kita setun.
Okay.
Sabar, gue mau ngikutin temen gue nih, pakai Hunter Strike nih.
I will
You destroy.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Not ready. Slain.
Kita potong cicinya nih, mana cicinya nih?
Or are you? In an instant!
Nggak pasif dia, nice.
Slain. Ally has been slain.
Apakah ada Beatrix? Oh enggak. Cici masih mau duel kah?
An enemy has been slain.
Ada Joy. Kalau Joy itu harus pakai
Another world.
stun, petrify, baru bisa mati dia. Nana kan lo pasif, Nana.
Nah. Your strategies are pitiful.
Anjir sakit banget cok. Ini kita ke Beatrix. Sabar, kita zoning Beatrix. Yang bener nggak sih nariknya Frankie De Jong?
Your team destroyed a turret.
Udah nggak sih bro?
Ult is not ready.
The abyss is up. Nah. Your strategies are pitiful.
Watch the bushes.
Lihat map. Di atas ada ini. Gas aja bawah. Gas. Sabar, gue mau ke Beatrix. Tarik lah.
Let me take you to another world.
Cepet, gue nungguin gak ditarik bro. Kayak dua ini itemnya cukup kayaknya.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
Wup. Gue harus baterainya nih.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Keep an eye on the map. Keep an eye on ult is ready. Ally has been slain.
Anjing tahun cuk.
Ally has slain Lord. Okay.
Let me take you to another world. Na, na, na.
Destroy the turret. Your team destroyed the turret has been slain.
The abyss shall be shattered in an instant.
Ciciku mati. Ada Nana.
I will do anything for the abyss.
Gue butuh merah dong. Sabar. Darahnya buat gua.
Ult is not ready.
Sabar guys, kita ngeflank guys, kita ngeflank. Dapat cici langsung. Au, kabur. Nice perangku. Kelas perangku. Gue setun. Gue setun dia gak bisa multi dia.
Victory!
Oke ya adik-adik, kita perpisahan dulu ya adik-adik di sini. Terima kasih banyak ya buat kalian semua yang udah nonton video ini sampai habis. Video yang udah nonton live streaming ini sampai habis ya. Yang nonton replay juga terima kasih banyak ya adik-adik. Yang mau mabar boleh lah. Tapi gue noob guys. Kalau mau mabar invite aja ya. Add aja. Nama gue tuh Red Castle ID. Oke, terima kasih banyak semuanya. Sampai jumpa di live streaming selanjutnya. Lumayan lah win streak banyak ini. Main berapa kali tadi ya? 1. Tadi kan win streak 5. Ya main segitulah.